Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Airtable for project management. So firstly, open up your Airtable dashboard. Now you may know Airtable is one of the best software for project management. So let me show you how. I'll just quickly open a project. So in Airtable you can create multiple fields and then you can keep the record of your task, or you can also create an inventory for your store and then keep track of your prices, products or management. Or you can also use Airtable for organizing a big event. In Airtable you can create multiple tables and you can assign, and in those tables you can add more stuff that you want to manage or keep a track of. You can also view your Airtable in multiple ways, like a timeline or a card view. Or if you want to keep track in a calendar, you can also do that just by clicking on calendar. Or you can also view is an Kanban. You can add multiple fields, you can add multiple links to those fields. You can also link all the tables and fields together to make your work more easier. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.